Y'all are my best friends after Reet.
I have posture, of course, issues because I'm very tall.
Next generation of iced teas. The internet used to tell us that straight hair is beautiful. Give yourself a pat on the back and be like, good job, girl.
Happy birthday to you.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sarah, where you and I, we hustle together. It's Monday. It's post Eid. Eid was on a weekend this time. So it's the first Monday after Ramzan and it feels different actually. It feels really different. I don't know how to explain it. Good different, of course. Good different. And I also got my period last night. So I'm in some pain. My first days, you all know, thoda sa dard hota hai mujhe. So I am in a little bit of pain, but it's nothing unbearable. I was thinking I'll take work from home, but Monday ko work from home lena is trashy because you gotta be there in office, set the tone for the week. You gotta attend a lot of meetings, review calls, how the week has performed sales wise, everything. And I also want to set the schedule for my shoots, edits, everything. So Monday really sets the tone for the week for me personally. So I don't like anybody doing khada, and even me personally doing khada or taking work from home. So yeah, just getting dressed simply. I try not to apply makeup when I go to office क्योंकि shoot तो हम इधर ही आके करते हैं. Shoot days only we keep separate and we keep it different. I'm still sort of getting into the groove of going to office. So I woke up at around 8 o'clock and I leave at 9:40 and I reach by 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Yeah, I want to wake up a little early and see if I can do my gym in the morning only. But today, since it's Monday, my gym is usually shut on Mondays. They have the cleaning day and Monday is, since I also got my period, I'm going to take it a little easy today, personally speaking. I've put the Benetint Rose Cheek Tint and Clinique's mascara. By the way, Reet has gone back after Eid. He went back on Sunday to Assam since he has a lot of work over there. So he's gone for a little longer this time. So Fudge akela ho jayega, and Satyam is also going on leave very soon. So I'm planning to take Fudge to office regularly because he gets very depressed in the house. He likes having people around him. So let me see how it adjusts. We have an office boy over there. I don't know how dog friendly or not he is, but if not, I will be there for Fudge. It's a small office. मुझे सिर्फ इतना है कि फज को घूमने के लिए इतनी जगह नहीं. Like the house is big, so he keeps on moving in the house. But the office is small. So these are my supplements I take in the morning.
Are we forgetting anything? You want to come to office? You want to come to office? Yes? You want to come to office? Who wants to go to office? Who wants to go to office with mama? Oh my god. New packaging of the whip is here. It looks so good. See? Designed by yours truly. Basically, पहले reddish tone था. अभी we went for a brownish tone for the coffee brand. And which brown you took? Sachet box वाला ना? हाँ, pack of 10 वाला brown. And यहाँ पर you can see अपना ही frother है. पहले कोई और frother लगाया था packaging में. Now you have our frother because now we have a mock-up of our frother. थोड़ा सा ही minor changes है, but now you can update. And we are putting a login system in the new office because इतने time पे आते हैं ना लोग office में तो क्या ही बोल लेगा. This will have a card system as well as a fingerprint. मैं West Side Home गई थी and I got these cute frames. I got this one and look at this. It's a bag vase. Bag gamla. It's so heavy. We need to still fix the decor here. This is not the best. It is what it is for now. Can put the new whip ka packaging here. We are putting CCTV. हाँ ये चलेगा ना? इधर तक जाएगा ये वायर? जा रहा है उधर तक? But then ये पूरा वो लेके जाएगा दीवार. तो आप वो मारोगे ना पिन 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 पिन. हाँ पूरा पिन 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 मारो. डालो उधर. Yeah, sounds good. We are putting cameras. In my office there's no camera in my cabin. There are cameras outside, but we still have to get connection for those. Marketing for April plus iced tea. एम करो कि अप्रैल शुरू होने से पहले अपनी लिस्टिंग रेडी हो जाए प्रोडक्ट की. So specifically with the help of the pack of 30 sachets, customers have realized that the coffee brand, which is Impulse Coffees, does falls
under the premium category brand. Now they have tried multiple flavors. They have come to the conclusion that yeah, they can opt for the jars instead of sachets. Okay. So this is the overall summary that we have received. Now talking about specifically for spray dried version of coffee, I have received a response that when we talk about the pricing point, it was available for 159 earlier. Customers have mentioned that this is the pricing which is fair for the quality that they have received.
Many hours later.
It's 7 o'clock. Usually I stay till 6, but I'm staying in an extra hour because I was getting in my vlog. Everybody is gone. Only Hassan is left and I'm left in office. I'll just upload this and call it a day. Like this is super lumbar push. Like ये बहुत ज़्यादा back को धक्का देती है. Like these chairs are comfortable. मैं इस पे बैठती हूँ तो मेरी पीठ नहीं दुखती है, but इस पे तो बहुत ज़्यादा पीठ दुखती है. इसका एकदम straight है और ऐसा धक्का दे रहा है पीठ को. तो I'm gonna not get rid of it. I'm just gonna shift it that side and I'm gonna get a new chair जो घर पे है वैसी same chair because I have posture of course issues because I'm very tall. I need a good posture and I'm charming so I need that. This also needs some revamping. Probably in this week I will get my painter to give me a quotation to paint this wall क्योंकि white wall मुझे wash out करती है. When I do videos against this I look very washed out, so I'm gonna get like a beige or something on those lines and then rearrange these things. These are some bookends I got from West Side. Very nice. West Side Home में कुछ नया माल आया था तो मैंने उठा लिया. इसमें books रखेंगे बीच में and then we'll separate the bookends. And then I got this which I showed you in the afternoon, which is a gamla, and I have to print photos for this vase and this vase. And I got that watch also to remind me that I need to go home, but I'm uploading my vlog and then I'm done. Thumbnail वगैरह सब ready है, just have to upload on YouTube अभी. चलो मेरी दफ्तर की नौकरी खत्म, घर चले.
Later that same evening.
Fair warning, the light is going to be strong. I was not ready for this much exposure at this hour in the night. It is what, 11 o'clock and I'm glowing because I just did my skincare. I have put Lancome Genifique Ultimate and this is my third bottle by the way, and the Skin 104 Madagascar moisturizer. This is my combo for the night. That's why I'm super thick and juicy because I needed like a lot of hydration. I felt like it. Went for a nice walk. I wouldn't call it a run because I'm not a girl who runs. I don't like to run. I like to walk, so I went for a walk and it was nice. Just my back is paining a lot. First day of period, PMS, all of that is harsh on my back. Plus वो जो कुर्सी है ना ऑफिस की वो चेंज करानी पड़ेगी, वो नहीं अच्छी है. एक हफ्ते से मैं उस पर बैठ रही हूँ. एक हफ्ता नहीं गई हूँ मैं पूरा ऑफिस बिकॉज सिंगापुर से आके एक दिन गई, फिर I went for 3 days and then ईद वाला छुट्टी था तो 4 days I went and today was my 5th day in total sitting on that chair. Like I sit तो मतलब मैं बैठ ही जाती हूँ. रोजे के टाइम पे जब मैं बैठ रही थी तो I was not getting up for lunch also. I was just like proper daftar girl I've become like in office. So that's my core aesthetic in office right now. Back is giving up. I think by 30 I'll have like lower back issues. Especially because I'm tall, I'm very particular about like these small symptoms जो मेरी body बोले कि भाई सुधर जा तो मैं सुधर जाती हूँ immediately. तो कल I'm thinking सुबह उठ के morning ऐसे stretches करूँगी before work, and tomorrow's work from this house because we still shoot content over here. So whenever it's a shoot day, then the marketing team is coming to this house, we're doing content, and then the other days we just all go to office. So tomorrow probably my operations team will still be in office and the marketing team comes here. I've told them like we should do like a brainstorming session जहाँ हम ideas exchange करें क्योंकि creativity when exchanged is even better. So I want to start that actually tomorrow. Today we had like a very nice fruitful team discussion where our customer executive was kind of like discussed like what she talks to customers every day, right? So she did like a full analysis of people who've bought our sachet boxes, what they think about it, what they like, what they don't like, etc, etc, which flavors they are loving, which flavors they are going for in coffee. It's a very, very healthy practice. We did that today. It was really nice in office. It was a nice day actually, a very nice productive Monday. I'm massaging my hair. I've put the Kerastase anti-hair fall serum. This is also super good stuff. I have one bottle empty almost and दूसरी नई ready है मेरे पास. रीत भी use करता है जब वो इधर रहता है तभी he uses my products of course because I have so many products. I was just on call with him only. Long distance is tough, especially when I know that he's gone for 2 months this time. He's gone for 2 months
weeks, guys. That's hard. That's like hard to accept because whenever he goes, I know he's coming back in 3 weeks, 2.5, max 1 month. This time he's gone for 2 months. Unless some work comes up in Bombay, he's not coming back for 2 months. That's harsh. That's really harsh because when he's here, we're together like all the time. And then when he goes, it's like a little tough on the girl. But it's okay. We get used to it. We just talk to y'all more. I vlog a lot more when Reet is not there. You notice because y'all are my best friends after Reet. Anyway, we're gonna go to bed. It's 10 o'clock and we're going to bed. Good girl practices. See you tomorrow. One of the reasons I'm having like these marketing days from the house where my marketing girls come home is for this little guy. Of course, this house is more aesthetic to shoot content, but my baby, he loves my girls. Fudgy, you love the girls, no? You love your girls. He loves the marketing girls. He loves my team, of course. He loves when everyone comes home. You love it. You wanna come up for GB making? You wanna come up? He doesn't like sleeping on the bed anymore. पहले उसको पसंद था, अभी उसको नहीं पसंद है. Tomorrow everyone is gonna come home to my Fudgy's house.
The next morning.
Good morning, guys. Look who got up at 7:30 in the morning and came for workout. And बहुत धूप है यार. मैंने इतना sunscreen नहीं लगाई जितनी धूप है.
You need sunscreen? I have sunscreen.
Yeah. No, I have put one layer थोड़ा सा. Okay, workout. We are working out in the park और मैं कभी इतनी जल्दी पार्क नहीं आई हूँ 5-6 सालों से. It's such a nice vibe. Morning.
6 a.m.
Yes, yeah.
6 a.m. by then.
That was 2018 and I don't remember that time anymore. अभी तो बहुत साल हो गए, 8 साल हो गए I think मुझे यहाँ पार्क में ये टाइम पे आके. It's so nice. अभी कंस्ट्रक्शन शुरू नहीं हुआ है बॉम्बे का, ट्रैफिक शुरू नहीं हुई है. It's beautiful. ये टाइम पे मैं उठती नहीं हूँ usually. Trying to become a morning person.
2 hours later.
In the event of shifting the office today, we are doing it very segmentally, very chill. तो आज we are thinking कि बहुत माल इधर पड़ा है and खुदा ना करे expire हो जाए इधर पड़े तो अभी तो इधर से नहीं बेचेंगे. Sometimes we remove PR and stuff, but we don't need to do it from here anymore. We do it from the office. So we're gonna remove all the jars, only keep enough for shoot. Let's keep two of each flavor just in display, and then remaining सब भेज दो उधर. Okay, work in office has begun. We've done iced tea का sampling. Iced teas are coming very soon, but this is going to be new. It's not going to be the same as before. Lots is going to change in the iced tea that we previously launched. So this is next generation of iced teas. दो product तो करे, एक ही अपन कर रहे हैं iced tea.
The next day.
Good morning, it's Wednesday and it's 9:40 and I'm getting ready for a shoot. Actually Tuesday was shoot day, but कल मुझे सिंगापुर का हॉल शूट करना था आप लोग के लिए, YouTube के लिए, but मैंने नहीं किया because मेरा दिन like 6 o'clock I try to cut off like a hard mandate before. If I wouldn't have finished it, I would have extended my day till 8, but I don't do that anymore. Like these are my strict work-life boundaries which I am trying to keep for myself. So today morning we decided कि आज सुबह Sharon will come, Dipanshi will come and we'll shoot यहाँ पर and then we'll head to office. So we're just going to do Singapore haul और कुछ भी नहीं शूट करेंगे. कल हमने बहुत कंटेंट शूट किया वैसे. We shot one brand video and Impulse के 3-4 recipe videos, one more reel for Instagram. So I'm just spraying my curls to stay put. वैसे इस बार curls are looking good only. एक ही दिन मैंने curling cream लगाया. I don't apply a lot of product unless necessary. Somebody was asking me, I'm from a budgeted family and I want to do the curly girl routine. How do I do it? Curly girl routine is actually the most economical, I would say, because there is no maintenance. You don't need to buy any device. आपको diffuser वगैरह की जरूरत नहीं है. आपके बाल अपने आप हवा से भी सूख सकते हैं. I तो barely use the diffuser. Only maybe when I have an event and I don't want to go गीले बालों के साथ and मैं just नहा के निकली हूँ, I will use the diffuser. But apart from that, I don't use the diffuser at all. I don't like these Sol de Janeiro body deodorants because they leave a white cast. The body roll on from Sol de Janeiro, उसमें वैसे white powdery substance है, तो वो जाके creases में बैठ जाता है. It smells good. It makes you smell good, but it has residue. Marit is not there, so I'm using his Issey Miyake perfume. so I'll smell like him. I love men's perfume anyway because it lasts so much longer. It has so much musk in it. These always last long. I just did 2 spritz. अगर ये मेरी perfume होती है मैं पूरा नहा लेती. उसकी perfume के साथ I can like go the entire day with just that much. Since he's not there, nobody's gonna tell him. And curly girl routine, yeah, like I was saying, it's the most economical. You just need to buy one curling cream, and in the affordable category, curling creams are amazing. In fact, मैंने महंगे जितने खरीदे मुझे disappointing लगे. Like I bought Way, I bought Aveda, so they were very like average. This is Curl Up, and Reet uses Moxie, or he uses Curl Up, or we use L'Oreal का that Hyaluron Moisture, so it's good to just keep your curls hydrated. You just need like a leave-in conditioner basically. And even Dove has a great curling range now. Dove has the peptide curling leave-in, वो भी इधर ही कहीं पे. And Dove का hair mask अच्छा है. So you just need a sulfate-free shampoo, sulfate-free conditioner और hair mask. वो भी affordable section में बहुत अच्छे मिल जाएंगे आपको. L'Oreal बनाता है sulfate-free, उनका Metal DX range sulfate-free है, which is what I love because colored hair के लिए also Metal DX is amazing. And Dove बनाते हैं hair masks जो बहुत अच्छे repairing वाले होते हैं. I love Dove's hair masks. So yeah, that's this you can go in and you don't have to spend a lot of money to keep your hair naturally curly, which is like something we just don't do because the internet used to tell us that straight hair is beautiful. So now we are writing our own narrative. I'm so done with like maintenance. Like I am out of that chapter of myself where I was purely into keeping myself maintained a certain way, like you know, always have my nails done. Bas I don't even want to do all that. And मुझे नाखून कराने ही नहीं पसंद है अभी. सिर्फ एक ही चीज मुझे अच्छी लगती है करना is my hair color. तो जब मेरे बाल बहुत ज्यादा ब्लैक हो जाते हैं मुझे बाल कलर कराना पसंद है. बाकी मेरा सारा मेंटेनेंस खत्म हो गया है. बस I maintain my body in the gym, that's it. और ये सब जो fancy treatments भी मैंने बंद करा दी. फेस ट्रीटमेंट सब कुछ ही बंद करा दिया. स्किन केयर करो, अच्छा खाना खाओ, घर पे बैठो, काम करो. That's the motto of life. Anyway, yeah, hair will set अपने आप. और ये जो छोटे छोटे flyaways वगैरह है because I've done a half up, half down. वही same curling cream जो हाथ में बची है उसको लेके आए, चिपकाओ my बाल. So this will be my look to do the Singapore haul. I will take half my hair in front probably. नाश्ता नहीं किया अभी तक. उठते के साथ मैं पहले कपड़े पहन लेती हूँ ताकि काम करने का motivation है. So many people ask me how do you get the motivation to do so much. Where is your motivation coming from? Sometimes it's just discipline. Most times it's just discipline. You can't be motivated every day. Sometimes I want to wake up and not go to work, but that's not an option. I'm the boss. I have to show up. Like I can't make an excuse. So it's just a discipline you form. Okay, you wake up, you go to work. You wake up, you go to work. So it's just in college also, like because I come from the healthcare background. Healthcare as an industry is brutal in India. Like you don't get chutti at all. Gudi Padwa, Eid, kuch bhi ho, you don't get chutti for in college at all, in medical college for anything. You know, even sick leave हमको बहुत limited होती है और उसमें भी you're supposed to make up for it in the vacation period. When you're studying for your exams, you're supposed to come to college and make up for it. So that I think my discipline comes from my medical college days where there was no option. You just had to do what you had to do, and that gives you a lot of discipline because your college life really shapes who you are as a person. मेरा तो वैसा है. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ like अगर मैंने अपनी डिग्री भी नहीं यूज की जो मैंने कॉलेज में सीखा मेरी जिंदगी भर मेरे साथ रहेगा. This is my morning breakfast: 2 eggs and avocado with MCT. I'm gonna put MCT on my egg here and here. 1 spoon and avocado नीचे है on sourdough bread.
1 hour later.
Shooting long form content is actually very tiring. Like you don't realize how much like talking non-stop for 1.5 hours can drain you. I talk for 1.5 hours which becomes a 40-50 minute long form video. So I'm feeling very drained going to work, not like in the best energy that I woke up with, but it's okay. Like half my days to gone only. It's already 12:30 and now I'm headed to office.
The next morning.
At 9:30 today and yesterday I just passed out guys. मैं इतनी थक गई थी, मेरी बॉडी इतनी थक गई थी, मुझे समझा ही नहीं कि I Went home, I was so hungry, so I ate something, and then bed पे लेटे मैं सो गई. I slept at 9 and I woke up at 1 o'clock in the night, and then I didn't vlog रहती. Again I went to sleep, but of course I wasn't getting sleep. तो 3 बजे तक मैं लोट-पोट कर रही थी. 3 बजे मैंने वापस कुछ खाई और फिर मैं सोई और 7:30 बजे सुबह उठी. So जितना मैं अपने रूटीन को कोशिश कर रही हूँ मोमेंटम में डालने की, इतना अच्छे से हो नहीं रहा है, because it's a little tricky because my body is not used to it. It's also coming out of 1 month of fasting, so I'm giving it like credit ke theek hai, it's gonna take some time, and plus I'm on my period, so it's okay. But yeah, I was very very tired yesterday. Like I was in some sort of sleep debt, I think, कि मेरी body was सोना चाहती थी. तो कल कुछ exercise नहीं किया, पर आज सुबह I woke up at 7:30 very fresh, went for a walk, feeling good at work. Now I'm feeling energized. So sometimes I think sleeping early is required. Otherwise also I sleep by 11 o'clock, but I slept at 9 last night. Like that's crazy. And today is going to be half admin and half shoot day. So till 1 o'clock till lunchtime I'll do admin work, and then I'll go for my shoots at my studio, which is my house. So it's Thursday and the energy is feeling good, mashallah.
Many hours later.
मुझे बोलना है हाय अहमदाबादी.
नहीं, गुजराती में बात करना है.
કેમ છો અમદાવાદીઓ?
मेरे पापा आप लोग को बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बोलने वाले हैं, तो कान खोल के सुनो.
કેમ છો અમદાવાદીઓ? તમે લોકો રાહ જોઈ રહ્યા હતા ને કે ઇમ્પલ્સ કોફીઝ નથી મળતી અહીંયા બ્લિંકિટ પર. તો હવે બ્લિંકિટ પર અવેલેબલ છે બધા માટે મિનિટ્સમાં ડિલિવરી. બરાબર?
एक्सपर्ट को बुलाओ. मेरे से नहीं होने वाला गुजराती.
That accent needs to be there.
Gujarati is not good.
2 hours later.
आज का काम समाप्त हुआ, फटाफट जिम चलते हैं because we are going to Nanu's house after gym. I'm going to the gym after 1 month, by the way, because I haven't gone to the gym at all in Ramzan. I didn't go even a single day. I just couldn't make it. I was more focused on my prayers and stuff, and right now I'm chumming, so I'm not praying at all. Today actually is my dadi's barsi and my nani's birthday. It falls on the same day, unfortunately. My mummy had kept a full prayer service for my dadi, but since I was on my period and also because I was at work, I couldn't make it for that. But now after I'm done with my gym, we are going to Nani's house, where at least like I'm going to celebrate my Nani's birthday. I love my Nani, you know. I love my dadi also. I love both my grandparents a lot. I miss my dadi. I already cried after work, so I will say my duas. Can you see that you can tell that I've cried. Mera mascara is spread ho chuka hai. Not good sign in the gym. Let me put water on my face and then let's go. I'm gonna do really good stretches in the gym today because I am very tight right now. My muscles are tight. My lower back has been. I think ये पूरे vlog में मैं बोल रही हूँ कि मेरा lower back hurt हो रहा है ना. Period की वजह से तो हो ही रहा है, but अब तो period खत्म हो, अब नहीं hurt करना चाहिए, पर अभी भी hurt कर रहा है. That means my hamstrings are tight. Not worked out in a month. Of course, it's gonna show in your body. I am not that concerned about body fat because I feel like my PCOS is cured. My periods come on time. I don't get hormonal acne anymore, mashallah. Because with the diet and with my lifestyle and with Ask Naturals plan, everything, like my food is of course 80% of your this, and I don't consume crazy amounts of sugar or carbohydrates anymore. My diet is 90% protein, which is why you can see कि मेरे muscles बहुत like अच्छे खासे बन चुके. Even if 1 month I've not gone to the gym, but there is some amount of fat also. Just that there's muscle is more for sure. Now to lose that fat, I need to be super strict with my diet and super strict with my stress levels also, which Sarah the stresses the most. So वो तो नहीं होने वाला है. तो जो मिल रहा है उसमें खुश रहो is my attitude. You can't make like work out your whole existence. I just cannot like look at these 75-day hard challenges on the internet and get inspired, because it's like when you're only doing workout only. दिन में walk करो, दिन में workout करो, दिन में करो. किसके पास इतना टाइम है? 1 घंटा वर्कआउट करो बस. That is enough for your well-being. And even 3 times a week if you do that, give yourself a pat on the back and be like, good job girl.
One eternity later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. अभी सबको पता.
Didi also, mommy also came.
Yes.
Babre.
2 घंटा बचा है.
Happy birthday, mama.
Okay, thank you. Kala to wodi kan to nahi lagta.
अरे ये आसान है बाबा.
Yes.
Yeah.
ना important.
Yes.
Yeah.
77th bird.
Tapos Melia, mag-ina namin.
Yes. Presence is more important than presents.
Present.
Yes. What you understood?
Sarah means Sarah. Sarah.
But now mommy made your favorite food, so you have to eat again.
Wow, I ate 78, 77 finish, yeah. 77 finish. Yeah, 78 start. Yeah, झालं जेवण. तू जेवला का नाही? तू जेवला का नाही? अच्छा.
Wish Nanu.
Hello. Happy birthday, Nanu. Thank you. How are you?
आके मेरे को
क्या कर रहा बाबा? ये क्या करेगा? अभी देखो, अभी 3 जन आ गए इधर। विश करने, देखो इतना रात में सरप्राइज दिया आके।
वीकडे पे बर्थडे रखेगा तो
हम
ऐसे
सोने में जाता था, इतने में एक दिखता है मेरे को हल्लू से सिर में। आप सोचा ये लोग को कैसे दिखला रहे बाबा?
The next day.
Alrighty guys, it's Friday and I am gonna end the vlog right here because it's the last day of the week and it's not going to get any more exciting. So it's just admin day today and this is what a week in my life is looking like. Week, okay, not the weekend. Week in my life is looking like. So weekend, I mostly just reorganize my thoughts and chill. But week is like this. This is what I'm trying to do, like balance my work and my personal life and my health. I hope this was insightful for anyone who's juggling multiple roles. Tell me what you think of my routine. What about my schedule? Do you think I should change something that I can do better for myself and have more energy and stop crashing at the night like I slept early that day? ऐसा आज भी मुझे थोड़ा थका लग रहा है because Friday, of course, the week has ended. अगर आपको मजा आया, if you like this video, you know the drill. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I see you come here. I see you watch my videos. I see you not subscribe. Please subscribe. And if you want to be a part of the Sara Squad shout out, you have to mention Sara Squad in your comment. So you have to type hashtag Sara Squad after your comment, and that's how you get a Sara Squad shout out. Okay. So for today, the Sara Squad shout out is Asha Rathod. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of the next video, Sara Squad shout out, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad and subscribe to my next video, Sara Squad shout out. I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.